Sounds good. Let's get the bill. Excuse me?
Yes, sir.
I can...
The check?
No, I just wanted to finish writing your novel so that I can read it.
Oh, I have 3 chapters left to write.
Hey!
The bill?
No. Just spin around. He's really doing it. Bill, please.
Oh, sorry. I'm John. Bill's back there.
Well, what about the check?
Republic?
Okay, never mind.
You still want to pay?
Yeah, would be nice for a change. Check, please. What are you doing?
Checking myself.
All right. Left. This is gonna be a long day. Up. Down. Up, down, funk you up. Pay.
Okay, pal.
You're funny.
Would you like to pay by cash?
No. I want to pay my stools.
That'll be 1 stool and a half.
Keep the change.
Pay.
Per.
See?
Salt. You won't ketchup on me.
Or you gonna let me?
No, because I'm a cruel human being.
Are you mustarded?
Let's spice things up.
For all seasons?
Just for the spring roll.
Okay, you win. Tur.
Hi. It's just summer. Rise this.
It's autumn. Matic.
This is getting really cringy.
So are you gonna pay?
No, I'm winning, so check, mate.
Are you sure?